Welcome to episode 8, Leading Lines. Leading lines are lines in your frame that act as invisible arrows, basically. They direct your attention to your subject. Leading lines in your frame will not only direct your audience to a specific subject, they can also deliver meanings. Vertical lines show height and also show movement from right to left. Horizontal lines give a sense of stability and calmness, and there's a reason it's called the horizon. There's a horizontal line, and that can give a sense of balance, and it can also lead to your subject as well. Diagonal lines and curved lines give a sense of creativity and uniqueness. That's why when you film real estate videos, the roof or the architecture is so important because of the diagonal lines and the different shapes of the architecture. Finding architectural or natural lines can really help to enhance a story and even enhance your three-dimensional image. In every shot, whether it's a sweeping landscape or a close-up on a face, leading lines are there, quietly guiding your eyes and helping to tell the story. They're like the unsung heroes of cinematography, making sure you never miss a beat. You like that? ChatGPT is crazy. I'll see you in the next episode.